Understanding structure types in solar installation. In the world of solar installation, the structures that hold and support solar panels play a pivotal role in harnessing the power of the sun. From ground-mounted solar structures to rooftop mounting solutions, these structures are diverse and designed for optimal performance. Ground-mounted solar structures are a popular choice, especially in large-scale installations. They involve securing solar panels to the ground using robust support systems. The advantages of ground-mounted structures include easy access for installation and maintenance, optimal panel tilt adjustment, and the ability to install larger solar arrays. They are often used in solar farms and open fields. When it comes to securing solar panels to the mounting structure, mounting clamps are essential components. Made from high-quality materials such as stainless steel, these clamps ensure durability and resistance to corrosion, thus guaranteeing the stability and longevity of the entire solar array. Solar installations are exposed to various environmental conditions, including extreme weather. The mounting structures must be designed to withstand these challenges. Materials like stainless steel, known for their corrosion resistance and strength, are commonly used to ensure the structural integrity of the mounting system under diverse weather conditions. Some solar installations utilize tracking systems that adjust the tilt and orientation of solar panels to follow the sun's path. The mounting structures for these tracking systems play a crucial role in their effectiveness. They allow solar panels to maximize sun exposure throughout the day, increasing overall energy production. The panel mounting strut channel, made of materials like galvanized steel or aluminum, provides a framework for securing solar panels. It is a critical element in the overall structural design, ensuring stability and longevity. For solar installations on buildings, rooftop mounting structures are designed. These structures are carefully engineered to distribute the weight of the solar panels evenly and avoid damage to the roof. Rooftop mounting is a popular choice for residential and commercial solar installations. Consideration of the cost-effectiveness of solar installations is crucial. The choice of mounting structures can impact the overall cost of the project. Ground-mounted structures are more cost-effective for large-scale installations, while rooftop structures offer advantages in terms of space utilization and aesthetics for smaller installations. In summary, understanding structure types in solar installation is essential for ensuring the success and efficiency of solar projects. From ground-mounted structures to rooftop mounting solutions, each type of structure serves a specific purpose, providing stability, durability, and optimal performance. Want to learn more about the different types of structure and mounting solutions in solar installation? Visit our website today.